We're learning more about the number of students and staff infected with COVID-19 in Clay County schools. Jennifer Waugh spoke with the district superintendent, David Broski, on the morning show.
As we know, the Clay County School District released its first weekly report of infections about 2 days ago. And this is it. There are 6 students and 6 staff who have tested positive. Now we've learned that number has increased to 22 overall, so it's nearly doubled. Superintendent Broski says one specific group of students is showing the highest infection rate.
It has occurred more in our high schools. And when you think about it, high schoolers by nature are more social. They're out, they're doing things outside in the community, and they're involved in a variety of different sports, et cetera, et cetera. So they have more opportunity to mingle with folks.
Out of the 22 overall cases in Clay County schools, David Broski says only 2 involved children between 2 and 14 years old, which is why he asked teenagers to be more vigilant about wearing masks when they're with their friends and about socially distancing. Broski says the district's had very few cases of transmission that have occurred at school, meaning most of the infections are happening off campus. He explains why the district is not releasing, however, daily infection numbers to parents.
We want to make sure that the information is accurate. You know, sometimes through contact tracing, you believe that you have a certain number of students that you have to contact trace. And please keep in mind, when you're talking about a high school student, in Clay County, they have 6 classes. Some districts have 7 per day. And the odds of being around a number of people, let's pretend that there's 8 students that the student that's infected is sitting around. Well, you do the 8 times 6, and before you know it, there's a large group of people with one student involved. So we want to make sure that the information is accurate.
That explains why 136 students have been quarantined. Now, this COVID-19 record in Clay County is updated every Monday, so these numbers are dated last week and will change. While Broski says that one student with the virus is one too many, he is relieved that at this point, the percent positivity rate within all of the schools in the district is less than 1%. Jennifer Waugh, Channel 4, the local station.